Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Rain drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, and you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day.
Dalawang bagay lamang ang gusto ko ipahayag kay Vanny at kay Winda. Bakit dalawang bagay lamang? Dahil pagkatapos ng kasalang ito, bukod tanging silang dalawa lamang ang hahawak ng kanilang samahan bilang isa at hindi ibang tao.
You're the one I'd lose it all and die for. And as the sun
Una sa lahat, ang pag-aasawa ay isang munting biyaya na ibinigay at pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoong Diyos Ama. Ito ay biyaya ng kaligayahan.
over you. No, I'm free high, free low.
Naalala ko nung kabataan pa natin, 6.5 years ago. Doon ko na pala makikilala.
Till I find a breath, my love.
Mitch! And then Mitron. Thank you. Yay! Ay, wow! Even as we wait for time to heal the broken part.
Tiwala, pasensya sa kapag kami sa isa't isa. Alam ko ayaw mo ng LDR kasi may trust issue ka. Kaso, yun nga, alam mo na, iba yung kamandag ko.
Thank you, boss.
Okay.
Together we are stronger. Oh, together we are stronger. No,
Thank you much. Alam ko nahihirapan ka.
Oh, hindi naman.
Bawi rin ako sa'yo. Pagtapos na ito. Love na love kita, ma.
I'll be here till
Ang pangalawang pag-aasawa ay isang pangako na kailangan natin panghawakan hindi lamang ngayon, hindi lamang bukas, ngunit magpakailanman.
Ayos ah. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
First of all, I will say thank you. Hala, iiyak ka agad. Wala pa nga. Hoy! Hoy! For all the sacrifices. And for loving us unconditionally. And I'm so happy and blessed na ikaw yung binigay ni Lord sa amin na maging nanay.
we are children. Oh.
Despite of all the challenge
Tama na.
and trials, but still, nandito tayo and fighting. Yun na. I love you. Yun na. Kaya nga.
Hi, Bobby. Sana magustuhan mo ang gift ko sa'yo. Magagamit mo to araw-araw at kasama mo din ngayong araw si Papa.
Oh,
ko na ikaw na talaga yung gusto kong mapangasawa nun pa man. Naalala mo nung nag-propose ako, ang sabi mo sa akin, unggoy ka. Imbis na I do.
hanging on. And do you lose your mind to replay?
You are God's living testimony telling me that regardless of my life shortcomings, regardless of when there are times that I am very unlovable, hindi mo ko iniwan. I remember telling myself that this is the man I want to marry. Na hindi ako mangangamba if magkakaroon kami ng sariling pamilya because I know that you're going to love us unconditionally. This is me in front of God, in front of you, and in front of the most important people of our lives to take you to be my lawfully wedded husband. Ikaw ang lagi kong pipiliin sa araw-araw at sa habang buhay.